standard view rooms here.
The view is amazing. Oh,
I like the view. Oh, yeah. Oh, and this is a pull down, so you can sleep on the couch if you want. Oh, and we can see the pool. We can see the pool. And the tower. Oh my gosh, here's a Mickey cloud. Look, right there.
Do you think
Doesn't that look like a Mickey cloud?
Yeah, kind of. Maybe.
Right there. That is a hidden Mickey cloud.
Mom.
Right there.
Okay, so this is my bed.
Are you taking both the beds?
Yes. This is totally comfortable.
Ah, is that comfortable, huh?
No, that's not comfy. Well, I like this bed.
I like this one. This is a good one right by the... Let's see, how do we open this? So we're in the garden view rooms. Oh, we can see a little bit of the lake too. Bay Lake right there. You can hear the pool. And then see the tower. This is kind of a cool view. I like it. I wish it was a balcony. I'm used to having the balconies at Disney's Contemporary Resort. In the tower, they have the balconies. I didn't remember that the garden view rooms don't have balconies, but do these open all the way up? Oh, that's as far as they go. Well, so we can just open the door here a little bit and look out, but it's still a humongo window with a pretty view. Hunter's already sleeping. So I like it. I like the rooms at Disney's Contemporary Resorts. So like I said, we're in the garden view room, which is the side building. You have that big, huge tower. We're in the side buildings. But these are very nice. These are like newly renovated rooms. So they're really sleek and contemporary, which is cool. So all those really clean lines, which are really awesome. But we're here for a few days, so this is perfect for our little getaway, our girlfriend getaway.